are listening to an audio blog reading from InterDev B2B Digital Marketing Agency.
The importance of Schema Structured Data and Schema Markup implementation for SEO. Introduction to Schema Structured Data implementation and inclusion in Google. Schema Structured Data is the most important ontology for structuring data on the web. In January 2015, Google rolled out Structured Data Markup with enhanced features and flexibility, requiring a choice between two competing industry standards. Microdata, or RDFA, reference document format in attributes, but excluding other formats. Schema Structured Data is a code that is added to your website which helps search engines better understand the type of content that was published. Schema Markup is a type of structured data that uses a specific vocabulary to describe the meaning of items on a page. Adding Schema Markup to your pages results in appearing in the top search results on Google as a search snippet, which eventually helps improve your click-through rate, CTR, from search results, and it can also help improve your voice search ranking. Schema Markup is supported by all major search engines, including Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Yandex. You can use the Structured Data Testing tool to check if your pages are correctly using Schema Markup. How to implement SEO Schema Markup on your site. When search engines crawl a website, they look for Schema Markup to better understand the content on the page. By adding Schema Markup to your website, you can help search engines return results that are more relevant to users. There are many different types of Schema Markups, and you can use multiple types on your website. You can add structured data to your website using the schema.org instructions. Schema.org is a collaboration between Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex that creates and maintains open standards for structured data. Adding structured data to your website is relatively simple. You can either implement the code directly to your website's HTML or use a tool like Google Tag Manager to manage your Schema Markup implementation. There are three schema encoding types for Schema Markup: RDFA, Microdata, and JSON-LD, recommended by Google. Common uses of SEO structured data. Finding the appropriate Schema Markup for your web pages. Since there are nearly 792 Schema Markups available and more than 30 ways in which Google can display the rich results, we recommend beginning your search in the Google Search Gallery. Once you've added structured data to your website, you can use Google's Structured Data Testing tool and the Schema Markup Validator to test your code and make sure it's working properly. SEO structured data is code that you can add to your website to help search engines understand your content better. There are many different types of structured data, but the most common ones used for SEO are Schema.org Markup and Microdata. Schema.org Markup is a type of code that helps search engines understand the meaning of your content. Microdata is another type of code that allows you to provide more information about your content to search engines. Both of these types of code can be added to your website without affecting the way it looks to visitors. Adding Schema Markup to your website can help improve your click-through rate, CTR, from SERPs, because it makes your listing more info-rich and relevant-looking. CTR is an important ranking factor, so anything you can do to improve it can give your website a boost in the SERPs. Microdata provides additional information about your content that can help search engines better understand what your page is about. This can also lead to improved CTR and higher rankings. In addition, rich snippets may be displayed in SERPs for pages with microdata, which can further stand out your listing and improve CTR. The most popular Schema Markups are: Web page, the simplest and most common of the markups, which doesn't require updates. Breadcrumb list, the place of a page within the navigation of the site. Organization, tells about your company. Website, when implemented in your site search, can appear on Google search results page as site links to your site. Article, when publishing articles on your website. Blog post, where running a blog on your site and publishing posts. FAQ page, when having a FAQ page on the site, mark it as an FAQ scheme markup.
Thank you for tuning in to the InterDev Digital Marketing Podcast. Together, we're exploring the future of digital marketing. Subscribe and join us on this exciting journey. Visit enter-dev.co.il for more marketing inspiration. And see you in the next episode.